My name is David, and this is Cebro Paracord Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the cross beam paracord bracelet. What you'll need is about 6.5 feet of 2 cords. The colors I'm using are titanium and black. Let's get into this. First, what you want to do when you start it off, you want to tie off your ends first at the top. I'm doing this a little ahead of myself. So what you'll need to do is an over-under loop at the bottom. You want to bring the cords one above and one below the buckle. Then you want to take the bottom cord, wrap it over towards the inside and coming back out to the side. Next, what you want to do is you want to come up top and you want to basically do the same thing. You want to loop the cord over for each individual strand from where it is, and then you want to come out to the right and to the left. Left with the black cords and right with the gray cords. Basically like this. You're going to take, this is the second cord right here. You want to take the cord, you want to bring it over and come right back down between cords 3 and 4 and right back out the right side. With all my tutorials, I always start from the right. And you go like that. That's the first side done. And then for the black, you do the same thing. You come up in between cords 1 and 2 and back down between cords 2 and 3. Going left. Alright. And you close that off like that. And then you do the last one. There's the beginning of it. Those are how you tie them off. Now let's get into this tutorial. First, what you want to do, you have your upper cords and your lower cords. You want to start with your lower cords. You want to bring the first one underneath between cord 3 and 4. You're going to make like what looks like a heart. You're going to go under, over, and come out the left side on above like this. You want to come under right here, then you want to go down between the middle between cords 2 and 3 and right back up, and you want to angle it a little bit so that you get a good look for it. Next, what you want to do is do the other side, basically in the opposite direction, doing the same exact thing. You're going under, over, so that it looks like that, almost like a heart. Next, you want to take your upper cords and you want to come down through the top on the right hand side of that, and you want to come right back out above like this. You want to take that cord that you just brought through the hole on the right hand side. You want to pull all the slack out so that you can move to the next step. After that, you want to bring that down and you want to come through the in between cords 1 and 2 at the X point where the black and the titanium are. You want to come underneath that. and you want to loop that back around to the left. And then you want to repeat the process for the other side. Doing the same exact thing. Next, what you want to do, you want to close off the top here, and you do the same for the other side. Next, you want to take the cords that you started from the upper side, and you want to close that off, repeating the process for the ones at the bottom. That'll start this off. Don't worry about if the doesn't look right for the first time. That's natural because it's the starting one. Everyone proceeding after that will look much better. And basically every time you get with these bottom cords, those are the ones that start off. Same pattern as usual. It's under, over, under, over. From the right to the left, and then do the same for the other side. And under, over, under, over for that. Then you go like that for there. Alright, now let's close that one up. Alright, I'll do one more and then I'll call it there. Repeat the process one last time. You're going to do this all the way through, from right to left, under, over, pulling out the slack to the left. And the same thing for the opposite, going in the opposite direction. Over, under, over. I had some difficulties trying to figure out a name for this design, so please leave a like, a comment, so that I can do more tutorials. And I appreciate feedback. Even though this looks like a horrible hot mess, I think it does look good when you complete it. Alright, I'm going to end this there. My name is David, Thank you, and have a nice day.